All right, so let's have a look at the scoot. The scoot is a basic acrobatic or tricking movement. It's a lateral supporting movement in that we're stacking our shoulder girdle and body in this sideways position, almost as a star shape in the air. I'm starting the movement by swinging my arm upwards and simultaneously coming through with my leg. I then press up my hip and stack myself on the bottom arm. So what this allows me is to be suspended in the air for a moment of time by the base of support on my bottom arm, but also by the upwards going momentum generated from the rest of the body. So what we can start to do to kind of work towards this movement is that we can use a more basic pattern to understand the technicalities of it. I like to start by placing my hand and foot a bit in front of me in alignment with each other. And then I start simply to walk in this semicircle. So I swing my arm, keep it upwards as I would in the scoot. I place my foot in front of me with my toes inwards, pushing up and reaching backwards with my bum. As I'm getting a bit more proficient in this, after a couple of repetitions, I start to add a little bit of a skip into it. Same thing, coming around. When I then try to execute the full movement, really searching for that acceleration or explosiveness, I try to imagine that I'm surrounded or encapsulated by a sphere, and I really try to reach for the edges. Really expanding outwards in space like this.